Hi, let me show you how to fix camera icon missing on Samsung Galaxy S25. As you can see, I cannot find my camera even if I use this spotlight search. So to fix that, we need to check something in settings. Let's go in settings. Now scroll to home screen tab. And from here, choose Hide apps on home and app screens. If you can see camera in hidden apps, then that means that camera won't be shown on your home screen as well as app screen. To unhide, just tap on the minus, tap down to confirm, and now it should reappear either in your app library or on your home screen. Now, just swipe up to open App Library, find Camera. If you cannot see that, in that case, you can either install the camera app manually or reflash the phone software. So, to return it back to home screen, press and hold it, and choose that option Add to Home. Now you can also press and hold it and drag to the place where you want to drop it. That's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.